Michael Petherick's been lured away from the Chateau de Basmaignée to come and hang out with us for a few days.
Yep. What have you been doing since I last visited Lalande?
Oh, we've been doing a lot that I can't show on these vlogs because we've been working in Mummy's apartment, which can't be seen till it's finished.
Okay.
And we've also been working on a bread oven. It's a big week. I think it's the week of work hard, play hard.
Okay, so we've established there's enough people to have a good party.
Oh, there are. Yeah, let's have a party.
All three.
We have to have a party. Will you do my
Celebrating.
makeup?
Makeup?
Yeah,
Do you want your makeup done?
Yes, I definitely want my makeup
You
done.
can have your makeup done, and anyone else who wants it. So I've not been in this room since the infamous DIY party.
Yeah.
That was an interesting night. A few people sprawled on the billiard table.
Well, we'll have a little slight rerun of that because Michael Halpin's actually going to join us
Oh, is he
tonight as
coming?
well. Yeah, he's coming.
Oh, amazing. That'd be really good.
Why don't you do a bit of piano practice, get ready for
Shall
tonight?
I say something?
Yeah, because you played the night of the party and it was so beautiful.
Okay. I shall play something I've written.
Yes!
Yeah? Okay. It's only short. I haven't worked out the rest of it, but okay, here we go.
You heard it here first.
You did.
That's amazing. You are disgustingly talented. Really disgustingly talented.
I've never heard it described that way before. Thank you very much.
Do you suppose I can train the peacocks to sit there all the time? Really would save me getting little stone statues for up there. So what's happening here is that I forgot to buy any charcoal for tonight's barbecue. And Michael and Walton are saving the day by splitting lots of wood. Magnificent. What beverage would help with this?
Definitely cold beer.
Yeah? Both of you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. There's something very sort of primally satisfying about watching men cut wood.
This is not exactly cutting wood.
Michael H., do you want to tell me your new motto in life?
Watching workers with wine, my 4 W's. I think it's great. Here's to watching workers with wine.
Cheers.
You deserve it. Cheers, Stephanie.
Cheers.
Really good, isn't it?
Cheers.
Really good seeing you here.
Good to be back.
So nice to think that this is all the wood from the forest. Barbecue night at Lalande. Oh, that is the prettiest Greek salad I've ever seen. And Andreas, may I say, you have magnificent taste in music.
Thank you.
Take my breath away, Berlin. Let's have a super cheesy music night tonight.
Hello.
Oh, the concentration. I'm looking forward to showing the final things. This is a portrait of you, Michael, isn't it?
Apparently. I think the glasses are well and the nose is good.
No, I'm not convinced about the nose. Glasses, yeah, they're great. It's actually uncanny. Yeah, well, you captured him, Walton. You captured him.
Did he capture me?
I couldn't widen my nose enough, sorry.
Weirdly, yes.
Bulbous head? Yes, got it, right on.
Be my
You wanna
lover.
be my lover? Gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends.
If you wanna be my lover,
You have got to give.
taking this too easy.
That's the way it is.
After a big night at the barn dance, the chateau is a hive of industry today. And, oh, The chickens have decided to roost on the scaffolding, each on a different level. There's exciting things happening down here. Michael and Walton are spending the morning redoing the floor of our ancient bread oven before going wakeboarding this afternoon. How's it going?
It's going very well.
This is very manly bricklaying you're doing.
Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh. Why,
Oh my
come
God.
on in.
It looks so snug. Do you think this will be the warmest place to live in winter?
This is probably going to be the place you live
Oh great, we've got a sauna. Great job. It looks to me as though they want to come in to eat your tart.
Well, I'm afraid, sheep, you're not having it. Yeah, we've got an apple, tarte pomme with plenty of butter and sugar and cinnamon. And a homemade pastry.
Of course. Michael doesn't do things by halves.
You can't see me in a wetsuit.
You look great.
You can see everything. It's that, it's the lunch. The big lunch, you can still see.
Stop complaining, you look amazing and you know it.
Ah, fast. Okay. So if you cannot make it, just let go of candle. Okay?
I have no idea what I'm doing. Am I about to die or what?
Try not to die, please.
Why aren't you doing this?
Because I really don't want to die.
I'm meant to be doing that.
Oops. Get back on that pony, Michael. Right back on the pony.
I'm going. Just about to try out the bad boys.
Oh, nice. You are getting better very fast.
Bloody hard.
But you picked it up quickly.
But it was good fun.
As always, you know, a little bit of painting, a little bit of entirely renovating a chateau,
And some of
more
these.
skiing.
I feel like a little child. That was so much fun.
Yes, thanks for trying to carry me, Stephanie.
It's alright, it's my pleasure. I'm here for that anytime. Can you two just like wear these all the time now? That's going to be the new Lalande uniform.
You have to get some now.
Mary, it's your last day. How surreal is it to spend it watching the boys go round and round in circles on a wakeboard?
It's been really magical.
Michael Petherick's done my party makeup, and he's a genius because I don't know how he's done it, but my eyes seem to have literally doubled in size. It's time to go down to the party. A normal night at home. Mary, can you show your skirt?
Okay, it looks really good. What?
Oh. I love it. And made from laundry room finds. Oh, it's so good. Yes. And Andreas?
Yes, ma'am.
Persian Prince. Possibly my favourite costume of the night.
Banana.
Yes.
The man with the extra banana. What? We actually don't get what we don't.
So you actually made us an artist.